Welcome to our introduction session for our new joint solution with one partner out of the Industry 4.0 area. What we are doing here is we are actually infrastructure provider. We are providing the proper infrastructure to provide a joint solution in regard of the lean management. So our target is to integrate a lean management solution which is able to improve on the process layer, and we are providing solutions to provide improvements and added value to our customers on the infrastructure layer. So what we did is actually providing of a solution which provides a data middleware layer to collect the data and to provide the possibility to visualization, to monitor, and the basis for data analysis to decrease the waste or to cut out the waste out of the process. This is actually our production line in our open lab. We are collecting the data with help of an edge computing device on a wireless basis because providing a wireless solution brings the added value that the solution can be deployed much more faster in a lot of different facilities and areas and plants than compared to a wired one. So we are now starting the production. So if the production is started, then a USB stick is getting picked up from the warehousing area, which is going first to a quality check station, and this AI-based quality check. It's another solution that we will introduce later with a separate video. So now it's going to the quality check here, and now it's going to the production itself. And here we have the possibility to stop the machine, actually to equip the machine with different required tools for the machine. And if there is anything happen during the production, then the blue collars, they have the possibility to put the reason why it's stopping, and then providing this data for further analysis. So all this, how it can be done on the software layer, I will explain in a few seconds. So here, then if the data is getting provided, first of all, the waste out of the process. We are talking here actually waste in terms of time, because each of the free time of the machine is a waste in the process which can be cut it out to improve the productivity, means to increase the OEE, the overall equipment efficiency. So now we are moving to our software. As I mentioned, on the production line directly, all the data during the production are getting collected on the middleware layer of our partner solution, where all the data are getting available for further analysis and further calculations. Now we are going to start the production. We are putting here the quantity for to be quantity, and here the current quantity to be booked, and starting the production here. And as the production is getting started, we are having the opportunity to set up the machine, bringing to the setup mode, to equip the machine with different tools and so on that are required for the production itself, and then ending the setup time and starting the operation to produce this one part. And if there is any kind of issues are happening during the production, the machine is getting stopped, and the opportunity is getting here visualized that the blue color can put the reason for the stopping, and if there is nothing happening, then the operation is going through. So we are now canceling the operation here and moving ahead to the other window or screen where we have the opportunity to get the visualization of the different status of the machine. As you can see here, the green color is marking the production time, the brown color is marking the setup time, and you can see also the free capacity where the machine is not in use. And if there is anything happening in terms of the issue or bottleneck and so on, it will be colored here in red color. So that you have the opportunity to see the improvement potentials of the machine or of the line, As we mentioned in the beginning, the target is to provide capability for lean management, means to have the basis to be able to identify the waste in the process, in the production, and to be able to remove those wastes. Here we are talking the time, the free capacity or the free time as a waste in the process. Thanks a lot.